me, let's draw a gingerbread house. These yummy houses are made of cookies, icing, and candy, and they're a big part of holiday fun. Are you ready? Let's start building our tasty masterpiece. Gingerbread houses became popular in Germany after the fairy tale Hansel and Gretel. Gingerbread dough is spiced with ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves to give it its signature flavor. Have you ever made a real gingerbread house? Was it fun to decorate? If you could live in a gingerbread house, what flavor would the walls be? I like that too! Gumdrops, candy canes, and licorice are classic gingerbread house decorations. If you could decorate your gingerbread house, what candy would you use? The largest gingerbread house ever made was big enough to walk inside. It covered 2,520 square feet. Wow! I would like to see it. Perfect! Our gingerbread house is looking so cute and yummy already. Now, it's time to make it colorful and magical. Let's bring our sweet creation to life with your favorite colors. Royal icing, often used to glue gingerbread houses together, gets its name because it's fit for royalty. Some people add tiny gingerbread people and animals to their houses for extra charm. Some competitions challenge bakers to create the most elaborate gingerbread houses imaginable. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. What's your favorite part of the gingerbread house? The candy, the icing, or the cookie walls? Do you think we should draw a gingerbread man next to the house? Let's decide together. Who would you share your gingerbread house with? Friends, family, or maybe Santa? That was nice of you. Sharing is caring. Our gingerbread house is all done, and it looks fantastic. Share our drawings with your family. They'll love how creative you are. We had so much fun drawing together today. See you next time.